Today we talk about how can you redeem a gift card on your Amazon shopping app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here until you found your account. So it's going to show for you like this. You just swipe in like this here until you will find here manage gift cards balance. Just click on it. So when you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on redeem another gift card. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you scan your claim code here or just enter it here in this list. Click here on apply to your balance, then it's going to redeem a gift card with you on your Amazon shipping app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking